这次的抢台来势汹汹，台风也清晰可见。
Here is the National Science and Technology Center for Disaster Reduction. When facing sudden disasters, they are national scientific pioneers of disaster reduction. The response team members perform their duties respectively, using the power of technology to assist works of disaster reduction. Their ability of emergency response is based on regular research and development of science and its implementation. The National Science and Technology Center for Disaster Reduction is an incorporated administrative agency under the Ministry of Science and Technology. It includes the Slopeland and Hydrology Division, the Policy and Socioeconomics Division, the Earthquake and Man-Made Disasters Division, the Information Division, and the Meteorology Division. It also includes the Planning Division, the Administration Division, the Accounting Office, and the Task Force of the Climate Change Project Division, carrying out 5 main tasks and missions. The Center researches and develops related technologies and improves warnings of all kinds of disasters and risk assessment capabilities. For example, earthquake disaster impact assessment, improving the disaster warning skills of typhoons and floods, rainfall forecast, wind wave forecast, storm surge forecast, flood forecast. It also analyzes flooding in metropolitan areas with heavy rainfall and the landslide potential in mountain areas. When facing climate change, it conducts climate big data analytics and simulation on disaster scenarios, and also carries out risk assessment on economic losses caused by disasters. Helps people adapt and make early preparation for disasters. The Center works as the consulting staff between the central and local governments. It helps the local governments prevent disasters and conduct planning by providing its results of research and development. During disaster emergency response operation, it serves as the contact of the Ministry of Science and Technology, supporting works of disaster response. The Disaster Service Platform for Disaster Reduction and Related Technology strengthens the operational efficiency of disaster response. It conducts investigations during significant natural disasters and establishes a complete natural disasters database, helping works of disaster prevention to become more efficient. The Center provides the public to use its results of research and development, and they truly benefit from that. It therefore establishes the database of disasters to collect disaster information globally, and also develops an app that people can search for real-time information of rainfall at each area. In addition, the Line official account provides mobile service so people can immediately obtain comprehensive information of disaster prevention and relief. Besides its website and app that provide information, it also approaches communities and enhances the residents' abilities of preventing disasters and providing disaster relief. The Center also develops diverse materials of disaster management information for long-term care facilities and disabled people, implementing application and guarding people's safety with technology. For international collaboration, the Center is committed to integrating and promoting results of R&D of our disaster prevention and relief technology through bilateral and multilateral cooperation agreements. It expands transnational intelligent disaster prevention projects, establishes and interfaces regional networks of disaster prevention, and expands Taiwan's participation and impact of promoting global disaster prevention works. The Center fully coordinates and cooperates with the government through large-scale integrated projects of disaster prevention. It has signed cooperation agreements with universities and colleges in the country and established the Interschool and Interdisciplinary Network through the MOST's Information Integration Project of the central and local governments in order to improve the ability of disaster prevention and relief nationally.
未来我们将会做好更精准的灾害预警，持续推动使用者导向的防灾服务，让台湾更具面对灾害的应应能力。